la chulo la siva ova aya la chine manaya ala na opu esere ila e fa apea mana polina ua o chi mama tamata ia oi ola taisala ua chi lo wanga ola tama ola ya lava te manaya te la le say ila este poi na yo paina hey nas ora oh vendora hey nas ora won't you come along with me Matata siya utigara Aetele ke amai lama Siya tangata pa atara Ua umane ola siba Ua epo inu aina Ua tau mai aila Etele mana le tama Ole ya lama Tele manaya Tele la le Tele Este boy na yo paina hey nas ora oh mandora hey nas ora won't you come along with me Ba ini yakila mala umata Matata siya utigara Aetele ke amai lama Siya tangata pa atara Ua umane ola siba Ua epo inu aina Ua tau mai aila Etele mana le tama Ole yang lama Tele manaya Tele la le Tele Este boy na yo paina hey nas ora oh vendora hey nas ora won't you come along with me Won't you come along with me? Won't you come along with me? Won't you come with me? Mai mai siva siva mai siva mai siva mai siva siva mai lue o mai lu o li mai siva mai siva mai siva siva mai lue o mai mai ta 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 mai ata ata mai ata ata mai ata ata mai ata ata mai Siva mai, siva mai, siva siva mai, pusi lau panga mai tango ta ata mai, ata ata mai, ata ata mai, ata ata mai, ata ata mai, siva mai, siva mai, siva mai. Pusi lau panga mai tango pa ata mai. Ata, bip bip bip. Ata mai. Ata mai. Ata mai. Bip bip. Ata mai. Siva mai, lu e o vai lu o lima siva mai, siva mai. Pusi lau tanga mai tango ta ata mai, ata mai, hitte, ata mai, hitte, ata mai, ata mai.
Oh my goodness, what an amazing Friday today. Talofa lava ma lole soifua wherever you are in the world. If you're in Auckland, Australia, Samoa, Spain,
South America.
Welcome to BluTable Talanoa. You're probably wondering, what is all that noise? Yes, today we thought that it would be amazing.
Exciting.
Yeah, we're pretty excited to be out of the office and here at PolyX Manukau, Auckland, to support our local businesses. And it's going to be amazing tonight, right?
Oh, yes. Now, Pea, do you know what PolyX stands for?
You know what? No, I don't actually.
I just learned this recently, and it stands for Poly Experience. So I think that should give you a little clue of what it's all about. We've got heaps of Polynesian vendors here.
Yeah.
Oh my God, where do we even begin? Because there's just so much talent, so many awesome products. Should we get right into it? Because there's just so much to cover.
Oh my goodness. Do you know what I've found interesting today though? How organized and how safe they were to make sure that all the vendors had their place. Man, it's amazing. I'm really excited. It hasn't started yet. But as you can see behind us, this is behind the scenes that all of the vendors are setting up for an awesome night. Last week I heard was crazy.
Oh yes. So you guys get the exclusive sneak peek of what it's going to look like before it all gets started. And later on there are going to be performances. So wherever you are, just make sure that you make your way down here to the Manukau Super Bowl just by the tennis court. So let's crack into it.
I know.
Should we get started with the food first?
Food.
Always food. Yeah.
Even though I don't need to eat any more food because
food is life.
I know, but it is. Food is life. We met an awesome, amazing vendor here, and they're called Little Chef's Kitchen. And talk about.
Oh God. So what do they serve? Because that looks like, is that a burger?
And it's a donut. It's the Cook Island, the traditional Cook Island donuts.
Oh, very yum.
With a modern twist.
What is that twist? I do love a good twist.
Plot twist, guys. It is mushroom steak, drizzled with the sauce.
Yum.
Oh my goodness.
Yum. What else do they have?
Friday is tasting really good today.
Ooh, this looks good.
This is, again, the donut, surf and turf. Oh, stop it. Really marinated steak and creamy garlic prawn.
Oh, yum.
Delicious.
They really know how to cater to their audience, right?
I know, and like what? With a twist. And check this out.
Oh, they just keep getting better and better. Oh, it just looks so juicy.
Never mind about being size 10 today. I'm
it never
upgrading,
matters.
and this looks good.
definitely going to head over there. So who are they called again? Little Chef's Kitchen.
Little Chef's Kitchen, right behind us here at Manukau tonight from 6 o'clock to 10. Polly X has got you covered. Oh my goodness. And this is my favorite.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Like, how do you have like island food with like really blue cheese sauce?
I love blue cheese.
Yep, marinated steak. There you have it, Cook Island.
So I'm going to be heading over to Little Chef's Kitchen later on the night. That's where you'll find me if you're looking for me.
Look, if you really are anywhere in Auckland, head over to Polly X tonight. Support your local.
Yeah, and they're going to be great performances, and we'll get into that a little bit later on. But here we have a beautiful package of products from our good friends at Domani, and they're just behind me to my right, and they do beautiful soy wax candles inspired by the Fiji Islands. Should we get a little smell of this?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, there's a lot.
Oh my God. I feel relaxed already. I feel like I'm in
so
Fiji.
Good. Yep.
That smells good.
Well, the borders are closed. Don't even worry about the borders being closed, because you can find Samoa, Tonga, Cook Island, wherever you want to go in the Pacific, right here in the heart of Manukau, at the we're at number 1 Te Irirangi Drive, and that's Manukau Tennis Centre.
Now, while you were giving us that information, I've been sniffing this pineapple and mango body oil infused with sweet almond oil. Now, I don't think I've ever smelled anything like that before. That smells good, huh?
It smells sweet.
Almost so good that you can eat it.
So it smells romantic.
Well, it is a Friday night.
It's a Friday night. Let's get it on. Man, what else do we have?
Oh my God. Now we've got frangipani and gardenia body oil.
Check this out. Backed by popular demand, everybody. If you haven't already, these are the new stock that have apparently come through. So we've got the Fast team as well here selling their merch as well. One of the vendors here at Polly X. So $25.
That's really good.
And it's
great
good
t-shirts.
quality t-shirts. Man, you know what? I don't even know if you can get good quality t-shirts nowadays for $25.
I don't think you can, to be honest. And the red looks really nice.
The red, the popular red. Oh.
And they've got a range of sizes here. So they're going to cover every single size. So just head on down before they do sell out quite quickly. So
they've got all of the sizes. They've got some kids sizes as well.
So if you want to be matchy-matchy with your husband or your wife or your kids, your siblings, they've got you covered here at the Fast store.
Purple looks good, eh?
It does.
Yeah. I'm so excited. You know what? I think we should cut the live now, because I just want to go and
do some eating. Let's do some taste testing.
Check this out.
Oh wow! Now this is beautiful.
This is stunning. Jira Clothing. So Lupe Naititi, the owner of this whale as well, she gets all of these imported from Samoa. So come through, support, and it's actually feels like Samoa.
I think pink's my colour, Bear.
Yeah,
I think I could rock this.
Yeah, I think you can.
I think I will.
Looks good. So, and you can find the team here at Polly X here in Manukau. What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
Oh, I'm looking forward to the performances. Just grabbing a good feed and just watching those amazing performances they've got lined up tonight. So, and we do have a special guest coming on later as well. So don't leave. But we are going to have a little wander around and grab some food.
I know it's starting to pack up a little bit, and it looks good. And I'm actually excited to talk to our guests as well today. So don't forget to hit like, share, and love. Share a little bit of a love for us on a Friday night here, BluTable Talanoa with your girl Pea, and of course the beautiful Claudia. Claudia. Did I just say Claudia?
I think we've got an American accent tonight.
Claudia. It's a vibe here tonight. just come through, PolyX Manukau. Head over to our pages for more information. Like, love, share. We're going to go into a quick music break because that smell looks good. Shout out to Laura. Laura, thank you so much for allowing us to transport everything here. Man, what an amazing feel though to be out of the office.
Right. Now we just got to spread our wings and go explore. So we'll be right back after the break.
See you guys soon.
Now, first of all, on behalf of LJ Hooker Now, we'd like to welcome you all to 8 Oricau Road here in popular Pepatoe, Mangere East border. Ladies and gentlemen, would someone like to start me out with an opening bid? 1,400,000, 1.4 million, 1,550,000, 1,660,000 going once.
7-1.
1,701,000.
Yeah.
So there we are, it's on the market, ladies and gentlemen. The property's to be sold to the highest bidder.
1,900,000 now. 1,900,000.
No, 1,922,000. 1,550,000. Is that right, Tangaloa? All done. 2,010,000. Sold. Congratulations. 2,010,000.
We were really happy with today's result. We're over the moon with the final outcome from today. I definitely recommend Team Tagaloa. They've been amazing to work with.
Talofalava. You know, in Samoa, English is not our first language, but like the rock, we are try very hard. So, let me say, check this out. You walked into the room and put a smile upon my face. Smile upon my face. Do you still remember? They said, please don't leave too soon, 'cause I really wanna know your name. I'll never forget that day. Now we have come a long way, and time goes by so fast. Time goes by so fast. You know I'm tired. You taught me to love again and put trust back in my heart. 'Cause you ain't my sweetie pie or the apple of my eye. You were that amazing humble girl that's running around my mind. Whatever I do, you know, no matter near or far. Wherever you go, I go, my darling. Wherever you are, I are. Wherever you are, I are. Mm-hmm. It ain't so hard to be so lost in the love you found. Lost in the love you found. 'Cause the beauty that I can see goes deep within yourself. Deep within yourself. You bring out the best in me. Put my feet down on the ground. Feet down on the ground. And all the love you share with me, my baby, I'm gonna mix it with the sound.
Man, I'm grooving.
I really am feeling it today.
And it's busy and everyone's walking around, setting up here at PolyX. Yes.
I'm really starting to feel like the real Polynesian experience here, right here in Auckland.
Me too. And BluTable Talanoa is smack bang in the middle entrance. If you come through tonight, come and say hello.
It's not an if, you have to come here tonight because you're not going to regret it. It's a vibe here. It's a real Polynesian vibe here.
Yeah, like even if you haven't experienced Samoa, the Pacific, we've got the Polynesian experience here.
These guys are going to bring it to you. Yeah. Oh, sure.
PolyX is bringing the experience to you here at Manukau. If you don't know where to find PolyX, if you have children, you'll know Polyfest Manukau, the Super Bowl. That is where we are right now, 6 to 10 o'clock. Well, we're not going to be here 6 to 10, but we're going to be here for the first half, and it's going to be an awesome experience, right?
Oh, yes. Another really awesome thing is we've just been walking around getting to know the other vendors here, and we've come across an amazing vendor called Blessings. And you might be able to see this, but they have the most beautiful jewelry here. So they've got these gorgeous, gorgeous rings.
Yeah. And I know that all you ladies out there.
Yes. We'll see if we can get a close-up of the rings here. Now, these are gold-plated, guys, and they range between $20 to $40 for a gold-plated ring. Like, I don't think that you can go anywhere else where you can find beautiful rings like this that are gold-plated and less than $40.
I know, that's pretty good. And you know what? I think
they've got more though.
They've got
we haven't ended there. We do have these beautiful earrings here. These are $10 and also gold plated.
Yep.
$10, guys.
That's pretty good.
That's so good, yeah.
Do you have a birthday coming up?
I'm sure there's always a birthday or a wedding or something going on. And now we have more beautiful earrings and a necklace. So this one I believe is gold filled.
Yeah.
And this one is $40 as well. So I mean, I don't think you go anywhere else. Right? I did get distracted by that awesome music. Guys, it's a vibe down here at PolyX and Manukau Super Bowl where Polyfest is. It's a total vibe and it's starting to really kick off.
You know, everyone's probably wondering, what BluTable Talanoa, what are you guys doing there? Wow, we're always talking about how amazing everyone's journey has been, how it's inspired us.
Yeah.
So you know what? We thought,
why not actually go to
let's go and experience
right?
it. Let's get in the middle of the twist. So that's where we are. We're here to get to know our locals a little bit better. And you know what? We're going to be part of their journey, and we're taking you through the journey with us. But man, did you see those t-shirts?
Oh my God, yes. These are awesome, guys.
So we've got a store here as well, supporting our local, selling these also t-shirts in the black and size 18. Those, I'm gonna quickly put this in because they kind of look like it could fit me. And we've got like the smaller sizes. Just do it later. Well, I wouldn't promote the just do it later. Come tonight. Do not miss out. If you want more information on how to set up your store here as well, we've got the website down below, guys. Follow, like, share the love for our local people who are just trying to, sell their goods. And of course the green.
The green's really pretty. So for all you Samoans out here, this is your t-shirt.
Yeah. Don't forget, it's not just Samoans here. We've got Cook Island, we've got Tongans, we've got Fijians. Oh, we've got the whole of the Pacific here. Food. Oh my god.
Talking about food, there is something there in the corner of the table. I'm pretty sure it's everyone's favorite.
Wow. It's Friday night.
Does this need an introduction?
What do you need for poo-poo? Right here, it's oka.
Oh, so good.
It looks good.
What we do need to find is spoons, because I want to dig into that.
I want to dig in. Cozy Kai, right at the entrance here at PolyX. Experience the Pacific here tonight at Manukau, and you can find chicken waffles or Thai here as well.
Oh, I love chicken waffles. Have you ever had chicken waffles?
No, I haven't, but I'm
definitely
ready to gain a few more kgs just to help our locals and to support PolyX. We've got the CEO and the owner of PolyX who's going to be heading here soon, and we've also got Mandy, who is at the moment really busy behind the scene working to help the vendors set up this afternoon or this evening now, isn't it?
Oh
Man, can you
God,
hear that?
our crew is bringing us more food
my
here.
gosh.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Stop it, guys. Turn the live off. Switch it off. Turn it off. We're going home.
Oh, do you know what? Why don't we eat this? Can our crew members give us a spoon or a fork so we can try
this?
this? And we can let you know just how amazing this tastes because this is so good.
This is what Claudia's doing. And you know what? Do we even have enough in the budget to buy this? Right?
Well, we do now.
We do now.
Thank you, Rosie.
Thank you for shouting.
Do you want to do the honours, Pea?
My goodness. PolyX. I don't know. This Friday, it tastes and it looks good.
Oh my God, just look at that. I don't know if the cameras, can we see that, guys? It's just so beautiful.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Heaven. It tastes, oh my goodness.
Do you know what? I'm just going to let you do the talking for the rest of the segment because...
Thank you, Cozy Kai.
I just want to keep on eating.
Cozy Kai is right here at the entrance and my goodness, it tastes good. What are you doing?
I'm looking at the other...
You have to share.
I'm looking at the other container here.
Oh my gosh, she's opening another one.
I am not sorry about this, guys. Now, what do we have here?
Oh my gosh. If
Looks
you
like a
are
banana
watching
pudding.
and you're thinking, man, this is really good. Cozy Kai. Cozy Kai. Thank you so much, Cozy Kai. This is delicious.
Do you know what? It is a Friday and Cozy Kai have kindly given us this food. So I am going to taste everything.
Thank you. Shout out to Cozy Kai. Honestly, come down.
Okay.
PolyX Manukau here at where they normally have Polyfest. It's the big white dome and Cozy Kai. Oh my goodness. Does that taste good?
Oh, this is a beautiful, it's banana pudding.
Is it?
Try it.
Okay.
It's so good. Banana pie.
Wow. My
this-
card is going to get declined tonight, right?
It's a great Friday evening for us, and it can be a great Friday evening for you guys as well.
Oh
so
my
head
goodness.
on down.
I'm going to taste this too.
Don't miss out because
It's banoffee pie.
that's the one. Yeah. Oh,
Man.
it's so good.
That tastes really good. Thank you so much, Polly X.
Oh.
If you want to experience,
I think our audience members need to experience this. It's
Yeah.
a vibe, guys. We've got the music pumping here. We've got the great food.
Yeah.
We've got the great people here. Manukau Super Bowl, guys. Come on down. We will
gonna
be
go.
here.
we've got Sabrina's details down below. If you want to set up a store here, get in contact with Sabrina. I'm kind of like get in contact with Sabrina, and I really want to eat this as well. Get in contact with Sabrina. Polly X happening every Friday here in the heart of Manukau, 6 to 10 p.m. Haere mai. Oh, let's go
say-
into a quick music breaker.
This is my best show, my most favorite show so
Is
far.
it? It's my favorite
yes.
show too.
That's
I
incredible,
think we
guys.
should come here every Friday to support your local. Come through.
Have some fun with us. We're going to be here. Hop on the show. Wave down like behind us.
Yeah. Right after this break, we're gonna go take a little stroll. How about it?
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Let's
yeah.
go. Friday night. Polly X, BluTable Talanoa.
Maanga e pala au winai o e whaano fo i le masalafa. O tala ni ua o tatu maua i a whai lei lei a manaia. Fo i le tupu a vetu a le tau i tali fie filu wha maoni. I a pese mani e na te whate au le timu ai sau le lao tie. Se pese manaia, e whawhia fia i nei e tau au
Fika nei tatu e matasi ai. Ai pule a o ia o fika e fai. Le nei olanga se ole fia fia lava. Tu sama brothers fa fia i luanganga. Mana tua foi ole nei olanga ele tu mau. Ele toi ai fo se salamo ile tunga mau. Nei e fanga le tata longo amase fai. Ai pule ia o Samuela patata. Se heva mai soleva. Heva mai musica atama. Ole tui sama brothers. Asala se ngana la fo inu o mala asiva mai masu e mai saubana. Tupulanga afai o e ona ile ava. Fai mali e masu e mai saubana.
We look so drunk.
Se ole ona eva fia ele tai ma patia sa ole pauka ole happy male fia.
Oh my goodness, I am loving this.
Isn't it a vibe? Honestly, it's so good. And we just had a blast eating that food
Man,
on the break.
right.
And it has not ended. But do you know what's really awesome, guys? Because here we are at PolyX bringing the Polynesian experience to you. And we actually have a viewer tuning in all the way from the Philippines.
So a shout out to our viewer that's tuning in from the Philippines.
Yes.
It's so good to have you.
Kamusta, I think is how you say hello in Tagalog.
Kamusta.
Yes.
Kamusta. And look, we've had an exciting time having a shout out to Michael as well. Michael Lepo, who was an ex-All Blacks player.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
No, I didn't say it like that. Oh, God, no.
But
You're going to get me in trouble.
sorry. No, but yes, the food is delicious. Talofa lava to Sahara. Man, love me some oka right now,
Oh,
man.
yes.
This is too good. And guess what? The food is flooding in now, man.
No complaints here, though, eh, Pea?
No, because you know what? I'm enjoying this segment where
yes.
we get to taste a little bit of the Pacific all around PolyX. If you don't already know, BluTable Talanoa wanted to get into the mix with our awesome vendors here. Man, like, check it out. Like, there's tables here that you can sit on and enjoy your meal. We've got the kids. There's live performances as well. Sabrina, the CEO, has done an amazing job. She'll be joining us soon.
Oh my God, it's really
gosh.
starting to come together.
Yep.
And I cannot stop looking down at the beautiful food that our team has
I know.
brought along
I think
for
I'm
us
going
to
to save
taste.
this brownie for Michael Lepo, #1 All Blacks player, man. Oh,
Now, I will open up the box so people can see.
so this one
exactly
is
what we are dealing
brownie
with.
delights. That looks good, smells good.
Oh, doesn't it look divine?
Yeah. Doesn't it, Mike? Does it look divine?
Do you want us to try it out for you so we can tell you what it tastes like? One of those cheeky ones.
Mr. Lepo.
Now, what else do we have here to try?
We've had a treat from Le Neil, which is the suafai.
Oh, yum.
Right here, and it's hot.
Oh, yum.
Wait, which one I'm going to try? So Le Neil, they've got suafai tonight, and they've got
I think that's crab.
like a crab
yeah.
salad.
Crab meat, crab
Crab
salad.
meat, crab salad.
It looks good. That's all that's all that matters.
This looks like what do we have first?
Well, why don't we finish this one? Because we forgot to try this.
Yeah.
The last segment.
Yeah. Kamusta, apparently we got it wrong.
Oh, kamusta.
Kamusta.
Kamusta. I hope we're saying it better now.
We apologize if we said your greetings incorrectly. Thank you, Mike, for correcting that. We love that you guys are so engaged with us eating the food.
Oh my God.
My
and
gosh,
we
here we
love
go.
eating the food. Should we try
Oh,
this?
this looks good. What is? Oh, hang on. Man,
How is that?
oh my God,
Oh, wow.
that is good. This is good. Shout out.
You know the food is quiet when there's that silence. Oh, it's like gooey, it's chocolatey, there's little caramels, there's nuts.
Don't even catch my eye roll. My
brownies.
goodness.
Oh my God.
That tastes so good.
I'm
Cozy
gonna have a
pie.
second spoon.
Oh my goodness. This is wicked. Love it.
Go on, I know you want a second spoon.
No, I don't. Not that I didn't. I just didn't eat all of that bangi popo today. Man, and it's drizzled in chocolate.
That is beautiful.
What is it?
Whatever it is, it's heavenly.
I think we're going to bring
It's
the
heavenly.
owner of Cozy Kai through to talk a little bit about her design.
Let's do this.
Divine. I'm getting distracted by the food. Turn the camera off.
Maybe we can get one of our team members to go bring the owner of Cozy Kai on because, I mean, if we can get the owner on just to describe what this is, it's absolutely amazing.
Or maybe we can guess. It's like crumb something.
Yeah. We'll get the owner of Cozy Kai on the show, bring them along just to say a few words because their desserts are yum.
Don't forget, PolyX Facebook page. The details are up. If you want to sell something, man, get in contact with Sabrina. The details are there. Email Sabrina. Get to know your locals right here at PolyX every Friday.
Oh, yes.
It's busy. Everyone's sitting up and the music's going to be going on soon,
It's
shortly.
really starting to come together,
Together,
isn't it?
yeah.
There's a lot more people, a lot more stalls.
Man, and we've got some like young kids that are here helping out as well. So shout out to everyone that's heading to PolyX. But I really want to try this one out actually.
Can we? Are we going to save this for Mike? Should we try these?
Yeah, okay, we'll try those.
You're welcome, Mike.
I actually don't want to save anything, but okay.
Okay, what should we try next?
Sofa.
Try that.
Yeah. So, we've got Mandy, who is busy behind the scene, helping out. We've got Laura, who is, I think she's either here or she's just left. So a massive whawhetai lover to Laura, owner of the Pacific Business Hub, who's helped us through. All of the Fast supporters, I know you guys are watching. Yes, they are selling the Fast t-shirts here, and they are like 10 stores down from us. But I was like, so if you want a Fast t-shirt, they are available here at PolyX. It's only $25 because I know you guys want to be rocking the Fast t-shirts as well. And I know Aiwako for Pea. Oh, so do you have the results? No, we don't. But how cute are they?
Oh, isn't this cute? Oh my God.
Oh,
that's so cute. Oh, that's really making me clucky.
Claudia.
It's so cute.
We're just like loving. Let's taste
We're just
the
here
sofa'i
having
though.
a good time, enjoying the vibes, enjoying the good food. Here at PolyX down at Manukau Super Bowl. If you've been to Polyfest before, same place. Come on over and check it all out. So,
Yeah,
should we try the food?
Yeah, let's try the food. We'll tell you how the sofa'i tastes. Let's go.
Oh gosh.
Okay, and those who know me know that I.
How is it?
That's some hearty sofa'i, man.
Oh, it's just like very.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. It's so good. Oh, it's made my insides all nice and warm.
Well, let's.
We're talking about the food here, Beth.
The food, yes, of course.
The food.
The food is so
It is
good.
a Friday evening, but we are still at work here at the BluTable Talanoa at PolyX Polynesian Experience, and what an experience it is. There's so many different vendors from all across the islands. We've got Samoan vendors, Tongans, Rarotongans, Cook Islands, Fijians.
Yeah.
Oh my God, who else is there?
We've got everyone here under one roof, one location, and live performances.
Yes.
Do you get that anywhere else in the
No.
world? I don't think so.
Great feed, great performers. So
Yep.
need we say more? Head on down to the Manukau Super Bowl for PolyX every Friday.
Every
Yeah.
Friday, and I don't think our boss is going to let me come here every Friday now. I was hoping
definitely try.
we could definitely try, but everyone's like wondering. Yes, we've had a little change of location today. Why you're wondering? Because what's the point of talking about all of these people who have these awesome success stories? We bring them every single day on the show. Today we thought, let's go and experience it, that real life journey.
Yes.
We're part of it.
Oh, yes.
Love it. Let's get on to the next feed.
Oh, yes.
We'll be back. If you want us to try something else here, comment below and we will go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. Stay tuned.
Do it, do it.
Man.
Do it, do it. Do it, do it. Do it, do it. Do it, do it. Timu ma'a fai malanga lo le pea. Su e se la au e fua tele nauna. Mua ta
here tonight. BluTable Talanoa has gone out to set up here at PolyX in the heart of Manukau. Joining us is the beautiful, the owner, founder of PolyX, Sabrina in the building. Finally, we know you're busy, but thank you for giving us 5 minutes of your time to explain a little bit more about why you started PolyX, what it is, you know, that's different from everyone else.
Well, thank you so much, BluTable.
Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to be on this very great platform. I've seen a lot of interviews in the past, and I applaud what you ladies are doing. So we're very honored to have you here in our humble abode.
It's so kind.
But you know, the main purpose for this is so that we want to grow it to be profitable, so that it can provide our own settlement support services for Pacific people who are moving from the Pacific Islands to New Zealand, because nothing exists to support them. We tried, and we have people that we're looking after, but we know that we can't depend on our own. We don't have a lot of money to do it. Nobody wants to fund us. So we thought, let's put on our thinking caps. We're commercial, we're business women. Why don't we do something, grow it to a stage where we don't have to depend on anybody else to do that.
And I'm just going to say, I love what you said to me just before about how we have to stick together and grow together, collaborate together to move forward, because we can't do it on our own. And I just love how you said that.
And I think us as Pacific, we naturally are a collective. And I think in order for us to really be prosperous, we need to do it together. There's no room for cutthroat competition.
No.
You know, if you want to go far, we go together. If you want to go fast, you go by yourself. But you know, but there's an element of sustainability that I think, as a Pacific, we need to work together. And behind us are the many Pacific businesses that were all impacted by COVID, and this has given them a sense of hope to come out and really test the market. Because if you go to any night market, you won't see. You'd be lucky if you find a Pacific vendor there. You know,
That
you
is
know
actually
who we
very
are.
true.
But we have a high following of Pacific young people. Finish work, they rock onto a night market. So why not come to ours?
Yes.
You heard that, guys. Why not come down here to PolyX at the Manukau Super Bowl, where PolyFest usually is. So you can't miss it out.
And while, you know, before Sabrina joined us, we were just telling everyone, all of the viewers, how amazing the vibe is. And you know what? Makamea le pule, the owner le vibe, then it trickles down to the vendors, and it's awesome. Thank you so much, Sabrina. Is there anything else that we can expect tonight? Because we know that there's entertainment, but anything like exciting about the entertainment?
We have some fantastic ladies who will be emceeing the whole night. I think it's QS Brown Sugar Girl. I'm sorry I may have that wrong. But also our dear friend Ernestino. The lovely model, she'll also be here. She's always been an early supporter. Tina, sorry.
Shout out to Tina.
They'll be here to liven up things. There'll be Siva Afi outside. That's always our finale, fire dance. There'll be traditional sports played outside by pop-up play. So this dream is all about giving exposure to our young people about our cultures. Why do we only have to do it once a year with Pacifica and Polyfest? Give us that money and we'll give it to you every week. You know, and you have what you have behind here every week.
That deserves a clap, guys. That deserves a clap.
I love it. Was it easy to get this all started?
It wasn't, but you know what? When it's a God-given dream, He will open the doors. So this dream, I'm not even a CEO. I'm just a worker in this whole thing. The big man upstairs, he's the boss. You know, we do what he tells us. When he tells us to stop, we stop. When he tells us to go, we go. So even the vibe today is all about the spirit. You know, we pray before coming. Everything is all about praying and giving it to Him. All these people would not have come. Who are we? You know, but that's the spirit working in their lives. You know, giving them the idea, you know, give these young ladies a chance. Let's see, and all of them have agreed to work together. And only the Spirit of the Lord can do that. Not me, not the team behind me.
Oh,
do you know what?
Beautiful.
This is the type of atmosphere and experience you're going to hear at PolyX. It's all about love. It's all about the spirit. Everyone's helping out each other. No one is trying to undercut anyone. It's just an awesome vibe, isn't it? It's the true Polynesian experience. Only here at PolyX.
PolyX, love it. We know that you're busy, Sabrina, to try and look for some more free food for us.
Of course. You get to do a quality control. But if I could ask one thing, we are in need of volunteers. I'm your volunteers to set up and pack up. Any young people there, we will get you food to pay for your time. Not to mention, this will go on your CV, your events management and all of that. So please hit us up. We need a lot of people. It's just me, Mandy, John, our poor children, and our sisters over there. There's only about less than 10 of us, and you see this event is massive. So if you're out there and you want to come and support us, be a volunteer in this, we will buy you the best food there is. We will look after you.
And that's awesome. For our kids who don't have anyone, you know what? Mum and Dad would trust you that you will. If you're here, they'll be like, PolyX, Fesosoangi Sabrina, Sabrina. Fesosoangi Kakokangaka. Head over to Sabrina's page, help the team out. We've got the details there, Facebook details, Sabrina's contact number, and also her mobile number. Did you have any last encouraging messages or words for our viewers today?
Oh, just come out and, experience the vibe. Just come out. It's a free event. Come out and support our vendors. And also keep watching this magnificent platform.
Isn't she amazing? I just feel so uplifted in these last minutes. I feel so uplifted. I'm so excited for the rest of the night.
Friday.
That's what we do. We uplift one another.
Get that free food. Oh, it's going to be amazing.
Hey, just a question before you go. Can we practice the Siva Afi?
Yes, I think you can. We have some television team, a crew that will be here, and that guy will be spinning. So I'm sure we'll ask the guys and get you to also get your hand to spin some of it as part of your program.
To spin
Not a
the
problem.
guy or to spin
Both.
Pea, I think you get a little bit too excited.
He's a skinny palangi guy, so I'm pretty sure you can spin him.
Friday night, if you don't have anywhere to go, man, it's undercover, so don't you worry about the weather.
Yes.
And there's a lot of parking here as well,
Yeah,
so don't have to worry about that either.
You know what? I'm going to go follow Sabrina around to get some free food.
If we're with the boss, I'm sure we can get some free food.
We're going to head into a break, and then, you know what? I think we should follow Sabrina. What do you reckon?
Do you know what? We are going to follow Sabrina.
Head over to our website to check out more details. PolyX, BluTable Talanoa here. See you guys soon. Welcome to the Pacific Business Hub. I'm done.
I could do this all day.
Yeah.
I think this should be our new show, Monday to Friday. Just here at Polly X eating.
I'm done.
So, which vendor is this from? Because this is amazing. It's got crab. For all you seafood lovers, this, oh my God, this is so amazing. I know. I completely forgot that we were on the show for a second.
I know, we are so sorry. Actually, no, we're not. Head over to Polly X. Everyone is almost set up to give you the best Polynesian experience here in the heart of Manukau. Don't even wait. Like I'm just like.
This is from Lenui, right?
Yes. Lenui, yes.
Lenui.
And I'm back on Cozy Kai, who are just right here at the entrance. I am loving their food.
It's got crab, it's got
and
prawns.
then you weigh in. So shout out to all of our new weigh-in viewers. This is good.
Oh my God, this is so good,
Yeah.
isn't it?
That seafood. Man. Shout out to
Sorry, I'm not saying a lot because this is just way too good.
shout out to all of our sponsors. Of course, the Pacific Business Hub. We couldn't have done this without your help and your support. Thank you so much, Laura. And also to E.T., the man himself. Oh my goodness. Like, I heard that guy.
E.T., if you're listening, head on down to Polly X, man, because
He was
this
just
food.
here.
Oh, awesome.
You
Oh my
just
God.
missed him.
Damn it.
I think he's coming back though.
Oh, great,
I heard
because-
E.T. is coming back. So if you want to see a little bit more of E.T., he'll be back, I'm pretty sure.
There you go.
I'm sure
another reason
Wow,
to come down to
wow,
Polly
wow.
X, because you might bump into E.T. here later on tonight. So make sure you head on down to the Manukau Super Bowl, 1 Tirirangi Road, in the heart of Manukau. There's a lot for you to enjoy.
Yep. Let's not forget, if you still are not satisfied with the Polynesian experience here at Polly X, then capture it with Blue Wave.
Yes. Oh,
Capture
yes.
it with Blue Wave. We've got the culture photo shoots. Don't forget, if you want to capture that treasured moment, capture it with Blue.
I think you have to. I mean,
to.
a picture and a photo speak 1,000 words. And why not capture a beautiful moment with you and your family, especially in
and
your
your
beautiful
family.
culture attire? I mean, you can't really do that in many places, can you?
Look, we've got a massive shout out to Beata, who is our #1 supporter. Thank you so much for tuning in. C. Leva, thank you so much. We've got a few people that are watching from Australia, Melbourne, Sydney.
G'day, mate.
G'day, mate. Thank you so much. Man, this could be something they could do in Australia, because they missed the vibe too, eh?
Sorry, Australians can't be here, but
we're gonna live it for you.
Yeah, and we will eat the food for you too.
Don't forget, there's so much going on here at the moment. We're gonna wrap it up because you know what? I still want to keep eating. Should we go? Is that us?
Okay, do you know what? Yeah, we're going to take these headphones off and we're just going to go for a walk, guys. Thank you so much for joining us.
I'm done.
Let's go. Let's go find some more food.
God bless. Have a great weekend. We love
Bye.
you guys.
Awesome.
See you later.
Okay,
Let's
keep on walking.
go.